Hello and welcome to Direct Express Help. Today I'm going to answer one of the most asked questions on this YouTube channel that we've been receiving, which is, can you get a payday loan directly to your Direct Express account? Well, I am going to address that question fully today. In the meantime, if you're new to our channel, I want to urge you to subscribe and hit the like button because this channel is dedicated completely to answering your questions about Social Security and disability benefits and Direct Express debit card. So anything that's happening with Social Security, disability in Congress, out of Congress, anything that can impact your benefits, we're here to bring it to you and update you on that. So when you subscribe, you will be the first to know when we release updates and videos that concern your Social Security or disability benefits. So let's jump right into it. So this is one of the topics that we have been very careful about how we're going to answer it because we have concerns about payday loans that we want to share with you, but we also want to provide answers to questions that you're asking and provide you with the facts and for you to make your own decision about how you want to proceed with that information. So the question is, can you get payday loan directly with your Direct Express card? And the answer is yes and no. So I want to address the no part first before I go to the yes part. So no, because if you are asking whether a payday lender can send your payday loan proceeds directly to your Direct Express card account, the answer is no, because you cannot add money to your Direct Express account other than the federal government benefits that you've been approved for that are being deposited into your Direct Express account. So why is that? Well, Direct Express debit card was set up for a specific purpose, which is to provide an alternative form of electronic payment for government benefit beneficiaries. So Congress passed a law way back requiring that all government benefits be received electronically. Since then, majority, probably 98% of government benefits are being sent electronically, either to a bank account that you have with a local bank or a credit union or a savings account, checking, whatever it is, it has to be sent electronically to a bank account or a prepaid card. So when the law was passed, the government realized that there were some people who, for whatever reason, cannot get access to a bank account with a traditional bank or a credit union. And so those people needed an option to be able to receive their government benefits electronically. So the government established Direct Express debit card and hired a contractor, Comerica Bank, to run the program. So Direct Express is there to solve a specific problem, which is allow people who get government benefits like Social Security, disability, to be able to receive their government benefits electronically and meet the law that Congress has passed requiring that all beneficiaries get their payments electronically. So the sole purpose of the Direct Express debit card is to get government benefits. So you are not allowed to add any other forms of cash or payments to your card. So if you're working somewhere else while you're receiving your benefits, you cannot add your paycheck to your Direct Express card. If you have cash, somebody gives you cash, or you have cash from somewhere from a transaction, you cannot go to the bank and add it to your Direct Express debit card. The only form of payment that can come onto that card is the government benefit that you've been approved to receive through Direct Express. That is why I am answering no, you cannot get your payday loan directly sent to your Direct Express account. Now, if you're asking whether you can get a payday loan with your government benefit payment as income, then the answer is yes. There are payday lenders out there that will lend you money and your when you show your income, your fixed income, as your social security benefit or disability benefit. So yes, there are payday lenders out there that will give you payday loans against your social security or disability benefits. Now, here is why we have a problem with that. And we're going to share with you our concerns that payday lending that we have, and not just us as a website that is trying to bring information to Direct Express, Social Security, disability card beneficiaries. It's also the federal government through the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. They have put out a lot of content, a lot of statements, a lot of warnings about payday loan specifically targeted at fixed income recipients of government benefits, meaning Social Security and disability beneficiaries. So we're not here to tell you what to do. We're here to provide you the information and our concerns about taking a payday loan against your government benefit. So here is where things get a little tricky. So the average Social Security benefit is in 2023 is $1,781. The average SSDI, which is Social Security Disability Insurance, is $1,350. And the average SSI benefit, which is Supplemental Security Income, is $914. So as you can see, we are not dealing with a lot of money here. And probably that's why we get a lot of questions, because beneficiaries are struggling to make ends meet. And so they are trying to, especially people on disability that are not able to work. If they are not able to live on this income, then that is where the need for payday loans come in, because people are struggling to make ends meet. And I get it. However, the problem with going to the payday route is that there are a lot of people online, a lot of organizations, a lot of companies online that will tell you they can give you $250 to up to $3,000 in minutes. All you have to do is show them that you're receiving your government benefits, a statement from your Direct Express account or a statement from your Social Security deposit account, and then they will send you the money in minutes. That is true. However, what they don't tell you is that there's something called the payday loan trap. What is that? And that's what I want to explain. The payday loan trap happens when people take payday loans and realize that you borrow $200, $300, $400, and the interest rate is so high that when you finally get your pay, you finally get your government benefits, you are not able to keep up with the payments. So you borrowed $300, and you soon realize that the payment that you have to make to pay off that $300 in payday loan or $500 in payday loan is going to take a long time. And by the time you deduct all your expenses, all your living expenses from that government check, that fixed income that you're receiving, there is not enough left to make that payday loan. So what happens is that the payday lender will then offer you another loan, and you take that loan to pay off the old loan, and then you get into this cycle of taking one loan to pay off the other with more interest, and then accumulating more debt, and then you get into this trap where you're taking multiple payday loans, one to pay off the other, but it starts with the first one. And you get into this point where you would have borrowed $2,000, $3,000 over a short period of time to just keep up with the payday loan payments. That is why a lot of these, what the Consumer Finance Bureau is saying is that the average person ends up taking 10 payday loans with interest rate up to 390%. Yes, 390% on average. 10 loans because they get into this trap. And Here is what you need to know. Another critical information about payday loans that you need to know. 75% of payday lenders make money off of these multiple loan customers. The people that are taking the 10 loans or more, that is how the payday lenders make their money. They know you're not going to be able to pay the first one. And so you pile it on, you pile it on, you pile it on, and very soon you needed $300 in the beginning, and now you owe $1,500, and that's how they make their money off of you. And so that is why we want to share this information with you, and you can do what you will with that information, but at least you are aware that there is a possible trap that you can get yourself into where you wanted this small amount of money to get you through a small period of time or a specific issue, and now you end up into this loop that you can't get out of because you've accumulated a lot of payday loan, one to pay the other. So yes, you can get payday loans against your Social Security or disability benefits, and there are lenders out there that will give you loans based on your fixed income. However, you may fall into a trap if you're not careful. So how do you avoid this? Well, if you're going to borrow a small amount of money and get a $300 interest, 300% interest rate, then maybe you should look at other places to borrow that money. Is there somebody in your circle, in your family, friends that you can get the money from and maybe offer them a better interest rate? It's better than the payday lender that's going to get you into this situation where you cannot get out of. At least if you offer somebody else a reasonable interest rate. If you borrow from a friend and you offer them 10% interest rate for a short period of time, over $300, that's, $30. That's better than what you're going to pay with a payday loan. So it's better to offer an attractive interest rate to somebody that you know and that you are committed to paying back versus going to a payday lender. But more importantly, if you can wait till your check comes, it's probably better, because while the payday lender will solve your problem in minutes, it may take months to be able to get out of that debt. So that is the answer to the question, can you get payday loan directly to your Direct Express card? Yes, you can. There are lenders out there that will give it to you. No, you cannot get it directly onto your Direct Express card because by design, you are not allowed to add money. Even if you try, you cannot, because the Direct Express routing number is not out there for a reason, because you are not allowed to add any transfer or money to the account. So I hope this explains everything around payday loan, Direct Express, Social Security and disability benefits, and what you can do and cannot do. So once again, if you have not subscribed to our channel, I want to urge you to subscribe, hit the like button. We are all about providing you updates about Social Security and disability, and we want you to be the first to know when we release a new video or information that may impact your benefits. So, until next time, thank you for watching.